In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Tinder app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get the right Tinder app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app, Play Store. Now, if you go ahead and tap on Play Store, you should see we have a search bar on top here. If it is missing, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it and just search the app by its name. And to find it, tap on search here, and you can see we have our Tinder app here. This is the right app, Tinder dating app, chat and date. It is from Tinder LLS. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 8 million reviews, and the file size of this app is averagely 68 MBs. The app has over 100 million downloads. Now, if you see these details with this logo, you will know that this is the right Tinder app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Tinder app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using it. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should see we have Tinder app here. If you open it, this is the welcoming interface. Now you'll know that you are on the right app. From here, go ahead and create your own account. You can create your account by just continuing with Google, or you can continue with your phone number to sign in. So that's how you can install the right Tinder app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.